So this old truck, it's a Hubley toy truck, version of a logging truck. My wife had that when we got married, and we've been married 43 years, so it's looked like this the whole time. But recently my grandson broke the wheel and the axle off, and so the wife handed it to me fixed. And thus, the broken tire became the biggest problem. There's just no way to find a replacement, and so I had to teach myself to make molds and use two-part silicone. And that's what you're seeing here. The snapshots I took as I was figuring it out, making I got a box full of failed attempts before I finally figured out the right material, where to get it, how to do it, to make a reasonable copy of the tires. And I only had the old ones to use as a template to make the mold for the new ones. So yeah, it was a challenge, and that took months. Okay, so here's this truck that I've been messing around for quite a while, just figuring out how to make the tires. So here's one of the tires. Black plastic. But the thing about this particular kind of die-cast vehicle, toy, is that let me get a hold of it here. So originally, right here, there was only like two little fingers sticking up that they pinched together to put the axle in, right? So the way it was assembled from the get-go is that they had the wheels already assembled on the axle like this, right? And they kind of spin burnish this to make a flare on each side, and then they spread it in there, lay it in there, and crimp it. One of those crimps was gone, broken off, and the axle was falling off, and the tire was broken. So I made 4 of these little guys, and I'm about to put them on there with this. This is an industrial strength retaining compound. It works really good on metals. So what I'll do is I'll sand these off, clean them up, and then I'm going to glue it on there with this stuff. And go from there.